who left our camera.
I know.
Who's that?
Who's that coming to see you?
What, do you need to bend
Oh, you need to bend down because we're in.
That's you.
Get down, make an effort,
Get
Peter.
down, I'm making an effort.
Right.
That's it.
Look
I
at
can't get down
that.
any effort. You
Well-
won't be able to get back up without me giving you a horn, you know that? You need to crawl around like this for the rest of the
No,
day.
we'll do that. Well, we're here the day we were going to get down. Like Mike Master does that, we couldn't get down. Put your heat down.
Sorry,
your heat's
sorry,
up,
sorry.
your heat's up. Right, today we're going to see the sea shanties, is it?
Sea shanty.
We're going to become a sea shanty. You know what I'm going to do? I'll pick this up because you
My
can't.
lovely Dinah, a thousand. We're going to see the sea shanty.
Just let them see the boat, I think. Okay, oh, look at that lovely view. What were you saying, Peter, about the view?
Just look at that. You've got the Riverside Museum, you've got the Glenlee ship, you've got the tall ship. Look at that. Along there, you've got the Armadillo, you've got
And where are we going
Bridge
today?
and
We're going to the tall ship, aren't we?
tall ship.
We're going on there because I've got a sea shanty on. So,
Very well, my lovely Dinah.
Peter, you're spitting in my ear.
Sorry.
Right, let's go. Peter wants to sing and learn how to sing sea shanties.
Where do you keep your buccaneers?
I don't know, where do you keep your buccaneers?
Under my bucking hat.
That's quite good. Right, we'll keep that line in. Right, we'll see you on the ship. Bye for now.
Right.
There you are. Sailors always board right foot first because it's bad luck. Right, so ready? Right foot forward. Oh, wait a minute, I'll show you.
Tell you right there.
Aye, left. It's no stage left or stage right. It's right. There you are. Just kidding, just kidding. Where are we going? Up to the. It's either starboard. There's a reason for starboard and that other thing, isn't it?
Mate, lift your leg out. Wee bit slip.
I know. Look at the side of that. I need a step. I need a smashing wee boat. This one, mind you. It's not a wee boat. It's quite a big boat.
Quite a big one. It's bigger than the other one.
Aye, what the size of that anchor? Imagine putting that down that chain. You doing the bell, Peter?
Oh yeah.
Right, you never do your cosy model act after this. Is that it? It's a bit
It's a
dull.
rubber one.
Oh, it's a rubber one. That's probably because people keep digging it.
That's
Alright.
I want to preserve
Okay, let's go up the stairs. Oof. Oh. Oh. Maybe this is for a younger person. You've got to come down these stairs. All the lovely viewers out there, if you're watching this, please subscribe. But I think we might have to turn the camera off to get down. Oh, up we go. Hey, look at this, eh? Right up the front. We're at the figurehead. As you can see here, the figurehead. Look at this. This looks good. We're just waiting for when we look round the boat before the sea shanty starts. There you are, the figurehead was carved in 1896. You can pause that and have a wee read.
far wherever you are.
You're not supposed to have a good look woman in front of you.
Aye.
Alright, do you want me to go in front of you?
No.
Alright, I was just saying. There you are, there's a Riverside Museum. Smashing museum. Right, near, far. Do you know what you've got to do soon?
What?
Go down these stairs. Right, now that we hard bit, now we've got to head down the stairs. It's easy coming up the stairs, but heading down the stairs might be difficult. Look at that. Still looks lovely, the Clyde, doesn't it? We'll let you see. Down the River Clyde. The Clyde, the wonderful Clyde.
Do you remember the video you come down the stairs? And here we have it, a rare sight. David coming down the stairs. Will he manage it before falling over? Go for it, son. You can do it.
I'll get down.
Oh, look at the speed. They're showing off now. You need a rest when you get to the boat with this.
Oh.
Well done, there was only one grunt.
I down the stairs. There you can see, it's a big ship, isn't it, Peter? I think the inside will be more interesting. They sell coffee, so that sounds good. It's a fair step to jump up into. Look at the size of that step to get in. That's a bedroom, I think. Look.
Oh, yeah.
What, where are you?
Man.
All right.
Yeah, but didn't they tell me they'd have to work as well?
Ah, that's it, look.
Hey, I'm back in the house.
Ahoy, 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 didn't I? Ahoy, ahoy. I don't know any sweeping songs. You know any brush sweeping songs? No. Hey. That's good. I can't go over the stair. I can't be bothered lifting the step. There the gallery. I said, smell me. There the kitchen where I'd have to cook everything for the boat. Not a lot of space to cook anything on the boat. It's great like you see wee clips of this, but here for you, there's a wee mouse just sitting up there. Look. There a wee mouse. You know what the wee mouse is called? Elvis. Oh no. Same furniture as you.
What exactly? Look.
There's somebody fixing a boat in there. They all slept. There a wee mouse, look, see a wee mouse in there? Wee mouse must have slept in the old days.
Rats, no mice.
Oh what? Was that a rat or sorry? No. A wee rat. Oh. This looks like a giant coffin, but it can't be a giant coffin, I don't think. It does look like a giant coffin with a wheel, doesn't it? I don't think it is. Does the wheel move? Ah, solid. I'll take you right to the front of the boat and we'll look on the new bridge that takes you from Partick to Govan now. Nice wee walk to go across. It's always nice to walk. We've got some singers there, like.
We work tomorrow but not today. We work tomorrow, we'll get our pay.
See Shanty here, even a singer. Here he comes, look at that speed. You missed. Oh, that was good, Peterson. You go on the stage today somewhere. Well, sitting here on the Clyde, listening to the sea shanties, eh? On a smooth day on the Clyde, the other Clyde. Throwing a beard again, you can probably see from my photos. So now we're going to poop cabin it is. Was this where the captain stays in? A bit more luxurious in here. Eh?
It's definitely a better look bit inside.
Oh, it's got photos and everything, isn't it? Wow, look, it's got photos and teak doors. Aye, fireplace and everything, aye. You get a smashing bathroom, isn't it? His bed's different. Chesterfield, look at that bath. Look at the bath now. Well, it must be nice to do that. Right, I think he's got his own wee kitchen here as well, but it looks at it, His own wee kitchen. These tea with all the teak doors, it's sitting a wee bit more luxurious. It's a fireplace. It's where he would speak to all the people in his sailors. True only allowed down here. An extra bed and some more rats. There's a cat on this one.
It's like a Glasgow cat.
I'm a Glasgow cat, and my name is Sam the Skull. I've got clothes on my paws like Crocodile Joe's, and he'd like a fair muzzle. I'm the kind of cat that sits on the mat, kinda to give you a hug, because I'm the kind of cat that can swallow a rat. That's great, and even the occasional duck. We were just on the deck, we're not sure where the deck goes, but it's a bit cleaner and tidier up here. Modern technology, if you wanted to need a Bible, just put what's that?
Do you remember where we seen one of them?
We've seen one in the other museum in Glasgow.
Hunterian Museum.
Aye, what one was it?
Hunterian.
Hunterian, aye. Aye, there's one of these in
Glasgow
Hunterian.
University.
Aye. So if you want to see another one, you can see. Hunterian's a good museum. If you look further down on where thing, you'll see it down there. Well, we're going to see if we can have a wee coffee down in the cafe. Where we're listening to the hoya hoya how hoya hoya. We're all up with lights and candles in the stage area. Down the bottom of the deck. Cafe restaurant up here looks good, so. Three wee corners got somewhere else into it. And a wee nooks and crannies to have a wee look round. That's back up to the boat, or that's down to the cargo. There's got more tons of steps to the lower deck, so let's go down to the lower deck. Nooks and crannies. Another area. Plenty of spaces and plenty of areas down there. Yeah, that's for the school to learn stuff, so if you want a wee trip even without the say Shanty day, it's quite a good wee day on the Glenlee boat. It's the boat where all the food was kept and all the barrels and all the rum. Oh, hey, Harry can probably see to set things up. Oh, a couple of treasure chests down here. A wee finishing crane, I think that is. A famous wee place. So. Looks impressive, doesn't it? The engine room. Some size engine, mind you would think it's a big boat, but the engines are massive. We're on the boat. Hear me, smell me, hear me.
You could always tell the guys that worked in the engine room.
What did he do?
Because this is the way they talk to each other.
Alright, what happens when it goes off?
Then you sound rather loud.
Alright, okay, you don't need to say that.
Come on and roll your chariot along, we'll roll your chariot along, we'll roll your chariot along, and we'll all hang on behind. We're bound for South Australia.
Nearly once and lose me mind.
Haul away,
Leave Miss Nancy Blair behind.
we're bound for South Australia.
Haul away, you rolling king.
Heave away, haul away.
Well, hello, just a quick one here for you. Look at this thing here, I don't know what it looks like. It's green, it looks like a... It's a bit like a jobby really, doesn't it? It does look like a jobby. That's pistachio, I forgot to ask what this is, and I'm just going to try it. It's called a cannelloni, and I've never heard it before. Cannelloni, sorry. Cannelloni. So let's see what it tastes like.
Are you guys playing today? No, you're not part of.
No.
I'm sorry.
No, I was singing, but that was just because I knew the song.
Okay, Peter Testato is performing. It's a bit crispy, but it's alright. I'll put it what it is. But, oh, that's nuts. You get a thing like that. Maybe a bit brittle for me, but there's stuff inside. The green stuff's alright. So, get yourself a cannelloni.
Cannelloni.
Cannelloni. Okay, get yourself a cannelloni if you see it. Well worth having.
old times, way out in Glasgow.
Say, well away, you Shanty, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka? My flashman, he's a Yankee, with his hair cut short behind. He wears a tarry jumper, and he sails on the black ball line. Then away, you Shanty, my dear Annie. Oh, you New York girls, can't you dance the polka? Well,
Well, we've a good wee day at the Glenlee for all the things here, and Peter's going to finish off with a proper sea shanty. So,
There we are.
here, Aldi, go.
Right. It was on a fair and a pleasant day. Out of Yarmouth harbour I was faring as a cabin boy on a sailing lugger for to hunt the bunny shows of herring. Oh, the hours were long and the work was hard, and the treatment surely took some bearing. And I used to sleep standing on me feet, and I dream about the shows of herring.
Well done, wee man, that was good. Lose that boat. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Remember and subscribe. We finished off here with a wee song. What was that wee lament called you gave us?
Shows of herring.
Souls of Hair. We enjoyed that. Remember and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, thank you.
Right, bye-bye
Bye
for
for
now.
now.
Bye.